So welcome to my channel. We're learning a lot of good stuff you can do with Python. We're using this pillow library to work on our photos. Now let's see, in this video, let's assume you want to change, you have a folder with your photos, you want all of them changed to grayscale format. You want them in black and white. Some of the reason you may want this is maybe to save memory space. If that's the only reason, then you can use the image resizer. We treated that in some of our previous video. You can compress the pictures, but if you have other reasons why you want all your images in black and white, follow me and let's learn that in this video. Okay, so of course you import your OS and import your image from PRL. Okay, so now specify your parameters, your output directory, your input directory, where your files are located and where you want them to be located. Now, okay, so if this just means if the directory does not exist, the output directory does not exist, you want to be created. So now this for loop will look into the directory you specified here and pick the file one by one as file name. Okay, so Image.open, the open method, you open. Now I want to call this image converted. So that is Image.convert. Convert is the method that will help you to achieve this. So it takes the input it takes is you can call it L, you can call it LA. For LA, if transparency is important, for example, if it's a PNG file, you want the transparency to be preserved, then you can use LA. But if that's not your case, then just simply use L. Now this convert method can also accept arguments like RGB, but that is not what we if you want it as grayscale, just keep it as hello. So now the output file name, make from the output directory and file name. So we say image converted.save using the save method, and then we can print, say the job is complete. Now we can run our code to see how it works. Now we can check our folder. So now a folder called Grayscale has been created, and now you see our pictures. You see the whole been changed to Grayscale, everything.